Are you tired of slow loading times and frustrated visitors bouncing off your website? Images are often the culprit, but fear not. Master the art of image optimization for websites with our guide. Discover powerful techniques to slash file sizes, improve website speed, and engage visitors. In today's fast-paced online world, website speed is crucial. Large, unoptimized images can significantly slow down your website, leading to frustrated visitors and a drop in conversions. Image optimization is the art of balancing image quality with file size, ensuring your website loads quickly and delivers a smooth user experience. There are numerous benefits to optimizing images for your website. Here's a breakdown of the why optimize images. There are 3 key pillars to mastering image optimization: choosing the right file format for images, resizing, why size matters, and image compression, squeezing the good stuff out. While the core principles of image optimization lay the groundwork for faster websites, there are advanced techniques to take things a step further and create an exceptional user experience. Content delivery networks, CDNs, are one such technique. Visit www.zeroinvestmentguidance.com for more details.